Hi, this is Andrew the Blacksmith coming to you from Bangkok. Been a pretty hot one today. And today I'm doing a review of video profit machines. Now this isn't quite launched yet, but on the 25th you'll be able to see this. And I'm giving you a bit of a look under the hood. This is what lies inside, and you've got a keyword research tool, campaign, start a new campaign. It's really about uploading videos and then sharing them to the sites like, there we are, Blogger, Twitter, Tumblr, LinkedIn, Reddit. So this is going to enhance your viewing and build backlinks, things like that. So I think this is a good thing for anyone who does video reviews or post videos to YouTube. Definitely going to help your ratings. So currently it's it's a web-based application, nothing to download. Syndicate your videos to YouTube, Dailymotion and Vimeo. Oh, Vimeo, I like Vimeo. Social syndication, share video links to Blogger, Twitter, Tumblr, LinkedIn and Reddit for more instant traffic. You've got a built-in keyword research tool, and you can determine the competition. You got one-click connect. Customers can add their accounts with one click, unlike other software. No complex setup. Okay, the sales page. Well, the sales page isn't quite there yet, but it's almost there. Scrolling down, there's a bit of a demo there. Also, subscribe to my channel if you would, that'd be beaut. So this is Andrew the Blacksmith signing off on this review, and you'll see, actually I just want to add this, that I will be adding some superb bonuses, and anyone who buys through my link will get the bonus pack. And I've got some of the best. Actually, sometimes the bonuses are what makes the day. So once again, this is Andrew the Blacksmith from Bangkok, signing off with the Rickapooty and the Fan Doogly.